Welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you little important updates about AI Dogecoin. Its price prediction 2025 that in this year mega balloon how much zeros this meme coin can clear. Is this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin because it's a unique meme coin, the first and high market meme coin on Arbitrum blockchain. So that's why is it possible that we can see AI Dogecoin also listing on tier 1 central exchanges including Binance and Coinbase or not. So videos be very special wherever you have to just for the complete here. Friends, Airdo is currently 9 zeros in its price, but 9 times 0 to $5 current price. Last 1 year pumped by 50%, last 30 days jumped by 3%, last 14 days jumped by 7%. So it still performs from this meme coin is good because since long time crypto market was in bearish form, but right now you can see still this meme coin is 50% up in last 1 year. So this is good for $7.5 million market is still good because still there's no NETI one exchange listing for AI Dogecoin. So already nearly $50 million market cap. So this is amazing. $5.1 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good, friends. It's 10% supply is already burned. So this other awesome thing about this meme coin. AI category meme coin just like Turbo and many other meme coin, they are listed on Binance. So definitely this category and this narrative is amazing. DWF Dev portfolio invested in this meme coin, a dog theme meme coin in Arbitrum ecosystem. So that's why this meme coin is very, very unique. And that's the reason that's why I'm also holding AI Dogecoin. We are 77% down this all time high. They won first March 2003, and we are 407% up this all time low. There was September 14, 2003. So performance from this meme coin is still good. OKX, HTX, BitGet, Gad.io, MEXT has listed, BingX, LBank. So friends, these are some central exchanges where this meme coin is already listed, but still there's no Bybit, KuCoin, there's no Kraken, Binance, there's no Coinbase, Robinhood yet, but as this meme coin is a high market cap, high trading volume, AI category meme coin in Arbitrum ecosystem. So definitely when we see a massive rally in Arbitrum main coin and ARP coin that maybe Arbitrum can cross $5 or maybe hit $10 or $20 in this mega balloon. At that time, definitely AI Dogecoin, this meme coin, AI Dogecoin can perform amazing. 272,000 holders for this meme coins. This is good, friends. These are the top holders of this meme coin. 10% supply is already burned, as I already told you. 52% okay supply is holding in one wallet, and the second wallet is dead wallet. You can see 10.4% AI Doge coins are burned. They're worth about $6.6 billion. This is good, friends. BitGet, MEXC, LBank, Git.io, R, and HTX. So these are some central exchanges wallets. They are holding this meme coin, and maybe in coming few months we can see Binance wallets also to hold this coin, because as I already told you that this is another AI category meme coin, dog theme meme coin in Arbitrum ecosystem meme coin, because right now every blockchain is focusing on meme coin. So this meme coin is the only high market cap, high trading volume meme coin in Arbitrum ecosystem. So that's why I think we can see is major central exchange listing in coming few months. When we see Arbitrum cross $3 or $5, at that time we can see its market cap in short term up to $200 million. But my price prediction about AI Dogecoin in this year's super cycle meme coin will run around $5 billion here. It's definitely possible that AI Dogecoin can hit $5 billion from just $47 million. Okay, in next maybe 10 months in this year's super cycle meme coin bull run, AI Dogecoin has potential to be the next $5 billion market meme coin. But friends, it's my own price prediction. It can be true or not. What do you think about your price prediction about AI Dogecoin? Do you think this meme coin has real potential to be the next $50 billion market cap or not? You can must comment down below.